Captain Wooba here for part 2 of my Getting Started with Paper Airplane Patterns. At hobbycaptain.com you will find the world's largest selection of free paper airplane patterns. You're probably going to want to get started with the most difficult paper airplane you can find. But instead, I'm going to ask you to backpedal a little bit. Let's get started with the Dart, the classic paper airplane that you already know how to fold. Well, let's get folding. So I went over to hobbycaptain.com and I printed out my paper airplane folding instructions. Double checked my scale and found that I used the correct scale. And on my printer it called it custom scale 100%. Yours may say something along the lines of full scale, actual size, something to that effect. Okay, now I reviewed my 5 line types. Okay, we've got a crease, a reverse crease, a fold, a reverse fold, and a cut. Now I know it's not going to be real easy to see here, so I'll post a picture. I use the same printer settings to print my paper airplane pattern so that I know my scale is set correctly. Now let's take a look at the line types. So step 1-4 is a crease. Step 2 is a fold. Step 3 is a fold. Step 4 finishes the crease. And step 5 is a reverse fold. So let's see what that means. So as an advanced tip, flip the paper over and start on the back. So for the fold, for the crease on step 1, we'll just fold the paper in half. Give it a nice line right down the middle. Now we will unfold this and move along to step 2. So step 2 we see here. And step 2, we can go either side first. And the fold line is on the outside of the fold. Okay. Step 3, another fold. And again, you could do this either side. Okay. Finally, we're back to step 4, which is the end of the crease. So we will fold along our crease line again. And this time we will leave it folded. Finally, step 5, which is a reverse fold. We'll try to fold nicely right along that line. I know that's difficult to see, but we'll do it again here. This time I'm going to try to match the other side rather than matching the line. I didn't do a very good job of it here, but so there it is, the paper airplane pattern folded using the pattern. Well, leave me a comment, tell me what you think. I hope this makes using the patterns clear, and I hope you have a good time.